Foundation repair can be super stressful, but making sure your contractor has the right insurance coverage is the key to keeping yourself safe from any liability if something goes wrong. So here's the deal. Before you sign anything, ask your contractor straight up if they have liability insurance and workers' compensation coverage. Don't just take their word for it. Get proof, like a certificate of insurance, and double-check it's current and valid. This way, if a worker gets hurt or there's some damage on your property during the repair, you won't be stuck paying for it out of pocket. Also, check if their insurance covers all the types of work they're doing on your foundation, because sometimes policies have limits or exclusions. If they can't provide proof or seem sketchy, keep looking for someone legit because it's just not worth the risk. Having this insurance means you're protected from lawsuits or bills from accidents that aren't your fault. Plus, contractors with insurance usually follow safety rules better, which means fewer chances of things going sideways. One of the biggest mistakes people make during foundation repair is hiring a contractor without verifying insurance coverage, which can lead to massive financial headaches if an injury or accident happens on your property. Another common error is ignoring the fine print in the insurance documents. Sometimes the policy doesn't cover workers' compensation or specific damages, so you gotta read carefully or ask questions. Lastly, people often forget to check if the insurance is up to date. An expired policy won't protect you at all. To fix these, always demand official proof with clear coverage details. Ask what's included and excluded, and confirm the policy dates before work starts. It might feel annoying to do all this, but trust me, it saves you a ton of trouble and money in the long run. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who are fully insured and experienced in foundation repair, making it easier to find reliable help without the stress. For contractors, the site offers a great way to get more work by showcasing their credentials and building trust with potential clients.